Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Davis near UC Davis. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. Motel 6 in Davis, California features an outdoor pool and guest rooms with cable TV. This motel is located less than 1 mile from El Macero Golf and Country Club. Rooms provide Wi-Fi. They also offer bathroom amenities and telephones. Davis Motel 6 has laundry facilities and vending machines. Guests can make free local calls. Motel 6 is 4 miles from University of California Davis and 11 miles from Wells Fargo History Museum. It is 14 miles from Discovery Park and 19 miles from Sacramento International Airport. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.